This initial solution will show you how to hide Instagram following and followers list. You can hide your following and follower list from a person who is not subscribed to you on Instagram. Set your account to private for this, then the list will be available only for your followers. First of all, open your Instagram and open your profile and tap the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. Choose Settings and Privacy and tap on Account Privacy. Move the slider to the right near Private Account. Confirm the action by tapping Switch to Private. Done. And you're done. Now, the list of your followers and followings can be seen only by approved by you Instagram users. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.